The people of this town in the mountains of the Philippines were animists. On our way to them, we all lost our phone signals. No calls, no internet, no contacts. We were greeted by the tribe with a ceremony where they performed the ritualistic folk dance called Tinikling. We delivered our lectures on the basics of the Islamic faith.
And the message is very simple, I will say in one line: to worship the one true God.
So lam yalid, hindi siya pinanganak, wala siya ginganak, walang yulat, dilipod siya manganak.
The local guide then explained to us that they were saying how grateful they were that we had told them about the true message of Islam and how different it was from what they had heard in the media. We told everyone that there is no compulsion in the religion. The choice was theirs to accept it or reject it. When Allah wants to guide people, there is nothing that can stop it.
Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah.
After they accepted Islam, we started teaching our new brothers and sisters the basics of their new faith. We drew diagrams showing them what the sky looks like at the different prayer times. We even played a little memory game. We showed them each step of the salah and wudu, and then we jumbled up the order and tested them to see if they remembered the order.
Okay, taas ang kamay ko, ready? Ready lahat. Okay, sige.
Have you ever seen so many new Muslims having so much fun learning how to pray salah and making wudu? How can you not want to have this on your scale of good deeds? We don't want £50 or $100. We're only asking for less than 99p a day. Click the button and start sharing in this reward now.